In 2024, the potential for online prosperity is no longer a dream, but a vivid reality. The business landscape has shifted dramatically over the past few years. The traditional brick-and-mortar establishments that were once the cornerstone of commerce are now sharing the stage and often being outshone by their digital counterparts. This shift didn't happen overnight, nor was it a result of happenstance. It's the product of an evolving world, a world that's becoming increasingly digital, increasingly connected, and increasingly innovative. Digital entrepreneurship has risen like a phoenix from the ashes of this transformation. It's the new frontier, the land of opportunities for those who dare to venture. And the beauty of this landscape is that it's not bound by geographical location or hefty capital. It's a level playing field where ideas and innovation are the currency of success. In this digital age, prosperity is no longer bound by the limits of traditional business. It's driven by innovative strategies that unlock new ways of generating income, ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. From affiliate marketing to dropshipping, from online courses to digital products, the avenues are as diverse as they are lucrative. Innovation is the engine that's driving this digital prosperity. It's pushing the boundaries, constantly redefining what's possible. It's about thinking outside the box, about leveraging technology to create value, about tapping into the global market with just a click. But it's not just about making money. It's about creating impact, about empowering others, about making a difference. It's about turning passion into profit, about transforming hobbies into businesses, about making dreams come true. The rise of digital entrepreneurship is not just a trend, it's a revolution. A revolution that's democratizing business, that's breaking down barriers, that's creating a world of opportunities. It's a revolution that's here to stay. So welcome to the age of digital prosperity, an era where the only limit is your imagination, where the only barrier is fear, where the only rule is to innovate. This is the era of digital prosperity, and the opportunities are infinite. Let's take a look at Shopify, a beacon of online prosperity. Shopify's rise to prominence is truly remarkable, a testament to the power of innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Born in 2006, this Canadian-based platform started as a simple solution to an online snowboard store's problems. Fast forward to today, it is a leading global commerce company, powering over 1 million businesses in more than 175 countries. But what's the secret sauce behind Shopify's success? It's the innovative business model that Shopify has adopted. They fundamentally changed the way entrepreneurs start and scale their online businesses. By providing a user-friendly platform, Shopify has made it possible for anyone with a product or a service to create an online store without any technical know-how. It's not just about selling products online. Shopify provides a suite of services including payments, marketing, shipping, and customer engagement tools designed to simplify the process of running an online store. This allows entrepreneurs to focus on what they do best, creating and selling their unique products. Shopify's success is also a reflection of the trust they have built with their customers. They've consistently prioritized customer satisfaction, ensuring that their platform is secure, reliable, and efficient. This dedication has fostered an environment where entrepreneurs can thrive and succeed. Moreover, Shopify's impact extends beyond the individual businesses it powers. It's a driving force in the global digital economy, contributing billions to worldwide revenue. It's not just a platform, it's a catalyst for change, empowering entrepreneurs, fostering innovation, and creating new possibilities. And let's not forget, Shopify's success has also been a boon for the economy. By enabling entrepreneurs to start and scale their businesses, they've fostered job creation and growth. In fact, businesses on Shopify have supported over 1 million jobs worldwide. Shopify's story is a shining example of how technology, innovation, and entrepreneurial spirit can come together to create something truly transformative. It's a beacon of hope for entrepreneurs all over the world, showing that with the right tools and a dash of creativity, anything is possible. Shopify has indeed set a benchmark for online prosperity. Influencer marketing is another incredible example of online prosperity. It's a strategy that has risen from the depths of the digital world, proving itself as a formidable force in the realm of marketing and advertising. Let's take a step back to understand the genesis of this phenomenon. A decade ago, social platforms were just budding and the term influencer was a foreign concept. But as these platforms grew, so did the number of users who amassed large followings. These individuals had a unique power, the ability to influence the purchasing decisions of their followers. Businesses quickly realized this and started leveraging these influences to market their products and services. Influencer marketing is not just about celebrities endorsing products anymore. It's about real people sharing authentic experiences. Take, for instance, the story of a fashion enthusiast who started sharing her unique style ideas on Instagram. Her authentic voice and unique style resonated with thousands, and before she knew it, she had a following of over 100,000. Brands started noticing her and approached her for collaborations. Today, she's a full-time influencer, earning a substantial income through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and her own line of merchandise. Another example is a tech geek who started a YouTube channel reviewing the latest gadgets. His unbiased reviews and tech advice garnered a huge following. Tech companies began sending him products for review, and his channel became a go-to for tech enthusiasts. He monetized his channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. These stories are testament to the power of influencer marketing. It's about building trust and authenticity, and creating a community that values your voice and opinion. It is a strategy that has given rise to a new breed of entrepreneurs who have successfully monetized their online presence. Influencer marketing has indeed transformed the landscape of online prosperity. It has opened up new avenues for income generation and business growth. It's a strategy that harnesses the power of social media and the influence of individuals. It's a testament to the endless possibilities of the digital world. Online courses, an innovative strategy that has unlocked unparalleled online prosperity. Let's take a moment to appreciate the trailblazing platforms like Udemy and Coursera. These platforms have revolutionized the way we learn, and in the process, they've created a new avenue for income generation. They've harnessed the power of the internet to democratize education, breaking down geographic and economic barriers. Now, anyone, anywhere with a desire to learn can access quality education with just a few clicks. But here's the kicker. These platforms are not just about learning. They've turned into gold mines for individuals and businesses who've recognized their potential. Just imagine, an individual with a unique skill or knowledge can create a course and reach millions of learners worldwide. That's powerful, isn't it? This isn't just a theory. There are countless success stories of individuals who've created top-selling courses, generating substantial income. From coding to cooking, photography to philosophy, the range of subjects is vast, and so are the opportunities. Let's not forget the businesses. Many smart businesses have leveraged these platforms to create courses related to their industry. It's a win-win situation. They get to share their expertise, establish themselves as thought leaders, and yes, generate significant revenue too. But what's the secret sauce? It's about creating value. The most successful online courses are those that deliver real value to the learners, those that solve a problem, those that teach a skill. And the best part is, there's no limit to the number of students these courses can reach. It's like having a classroom that extends across the globe. So if you've got a skill, a unique knowledge, or expertise, consider creating an online course. It could be your ticket to online prosperity. Remember, the power of online courses lies not just in the opportunity to teach, but also in the opportunity to learn, to grow, and to prosper. Online courses are indeed a powerful strategy for achieving online prosperity. The future of online prosperity is brighter than ever. As we look forward, it's clear that online entrepreneurship will continue to evolve, offering new and exciting opportunities for those willing to innovate and take risks. Let's start with the rise of virtual reality. Imagine walking into your own virtual store, interacting with customers in real time, and showcasing your products in a three-dimensional space. This isn't the stuff of science fiction anymore. It's a reality that's just around the corner, and it's going to revolutionize the way we do business online. Then there's the continued growth of artificial intelligence. AI is already changing the game in fields like customer service and data analysis, but we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. In the future, AI could help us automate every aspect of our businesses, from marketing to inventory management, freeing us up to focus on what we do best, creating and innovating. And let's not forget about blockchain. This technology has the potential to create new forms of online commerce, where transactions are secure, transparent, and decentralized. Imagine a world where you can sell products directly to customers without the need for a middleman. That's the promise of blockchain, and it's a trend that every online entrepreneur should be watching closely. But all of these trends have one thing in common. They require innovative strategies to take full advantage of. The future of online prosperity isn't just about jumping on the latest trend. It's about understanding these trends, adapting to them, and finding ways to use them to create value for your customers. It's about being flexible, creative, and always ready to learn. So what does this all mean for you? It means that the future is full of potential. There's never been a better time to be an online entrepreneur. The tools are there, the opportunities are there, and the only limit is your imagination. The future of online prosperity is here, and it's time to seize it. Don't out on these insights. Subscribe today so you'll never miss a post.